In this video, we will discuss about the term healthy can often be misleading when it comes to food choices, as some items marketed under this label may not be as beneficial as they appear. For example, granola and flavored yogurt, often seen as wholesome breakfast options, can be high in sugar and calories. Veggie chips and store-bought smoothies may sound nutritious, but frequently contain unhealthy fats and excessive sugars. Trail mixes and energy bars, touted as convenient snacks, often hide added sugars and artificial ingredients. Similarly, prepackaged salad dressings can be high in sugar and unhealthy fats, and fruit juices, despite being 100% juice, lack fiber and are loaded with sugar. Gluten-free snacks may also contain refined flours and added sugars, while low-fat or fat-free products often compensate with artificial additives and extra sugars. To truly make healthy choices, it is essential to read labels carefully and prioritize whole, minimally processed foods. Here are 10 examples of healthy foods that might be worse than you think. Granola. Often considered a healthy breakfast option, many granolas are high in sugar and calories. Look for low-sugar options and control portion sizes. 2. Flavored yogurt. While yogurt can be a good source of probiotics and calcium, flavored versions often contain a lot of added sugars. Opt for plain yogurt and add fresh fruit for sweetness. Veggie chips. These may sound healthier than regular chips, but many veggie chips are still fried and contain high amounts of sodium and unhealthy fats. They often lack the nutritional benefits of whole vegetables. Smoothies. Store-bought or pre-made smoothies can be loaded with sugar, especially those made with fruit juice or sweetened yogurt. Make your own at home using whole fruits, vegetables, and unsweetened bases. Trail mix. While nuts and dried fruits are healthy in moderation, many trail mixes include candy, chocolate, and added sugars, making them high in calories and sugar. Energy bars. Marketed as convenient and healthy snacks, many energy bars are essentially candy bars in disguise, with high sugar content and artificial ingredients. Look for bars with whole ingredients and low sugar. Salad dressings. Pre-packaged salad dressings can be high in sugar, sodium, and unhealthy fats. Consider making your own dressing with olive oil, vinegar, and herbs. Fruit juices. Even 100% fruit juices can be high in sugar and calories while lacking the fiber of whole fruits. It's better to eat whole fruits to get the full range of nutrients and fiber. Gluten-free snacks. Gluten-free doesn't necessarily mean healthy. Many gluten-free snacks are made with refined flours and added sugars, lacking nutritional value. Low-fat or fat-free products. These often compensate for the lack of fat with added sugars, artificial sweeteners, and other additives. Full-fat versions can be more satisfying and less processed. Being mindful of these hidden pitfalls can help you make more informed choices about what you eat. Always check labels for sugar, sodium, and ingredient quality, and aim for whole, minimally processed. Thank you for watching. If you like video, then click on like and subscribe the channel for more updated videos.